Good morning and welcome to another Fun Friday video from 303 Tech. I'm Clint Larson. Today we're going to be talking about spring cleaning. I know it's springtime, at least it is here, and things are starting to warm up, which means time to get out and clean up the yard. But when was the last time you cleaned up your computer? You can go to disk cleanup. You can just type in the search disk cleanup and you will find a disk cleanup tool. Believe it or not, it's there. Once you get into there, there's all kinds of things that you can clean up. When was the last time you actually emptied your recycle bin? I know you delete stuff all the time, or at least you should. But when was the last time you took out the trash? My son takes it out every Tuesday. But you really need to do this on a regular basis. For most people that are on system care with us, we delete your temporary internet files and your cache files and that kind of stuff on a weekly basis. But if you haven't cleaned up your temporary internet files, you might want to go into disk cleanup, check all the boxes. Also, don't forget to clean up the installation files because you probably don't need those either. In fact, I know you don't. That's why they're in there, to clean them up. And you'll be surprised how much space you will be freeing up. It's amazing when you go out to the internet, you start downloading all these files. Every page you go to downloads temporary files that then can be deleted. But most people don't delete it. So if you haven't had a chance to do it, go into your computer, disk cleanup, clean up your disk, and see if you don't improve some performance. At the very minimum, you're going to free up some space. So anyway, you guys have a wonderful weekend, and if you need anything, please keep us in mind. And remember, we always like to keep you simply connected. Thank you.